having problems and you can't download apps from your app store, here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix it. First of all, go ahead to your app store, Google Play, and then what you're gonna do, go to your app store, and then what you're gonna do, just scroll a little bit down, and then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just see the sign out button right here. Go ahead and sign out, and as you can see, you will see that I've already signed out from my account. Now what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and sign in again, and that should fix your problem. Okay, so if then what you're gonna do, just go back to your screen, right? Go back to your screen and then go ahead to your settings and make sure that your internet connection is on, and make sure that you have a powerful connection. If you don't, that may cause the not downloading apps on your app store. If you're still facing that same issue, even though that you have a powerful internet, what you're gonna do, just go back to your screen, and then what you're gonna do next, go back again to the main settings, and then go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down, to the transfer or reset iPhone. So go ahead and click on it, and then go ahead and click a reset, and you're gonna see a pop-up window. And then what we're gonna do next, we're gonna just click that reset network settings, and then we're gonna reset our iPhone network setting, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do next, just go back to the main settings, right? And basically try it out, go back to your screen, then try it out to download any app from your iPhone, right? And you're gonna probably notice that you're gonna be able to download apps on your iPhone. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.